Hello users, and welcome to the basics tutorial of VoiceQ Writer. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to add your script, add media, add a language, and begin your translation process with VoiceQ Writer. Let's begin by bringing in our first script. So for this, we're going to bring in a tab delimited XLSX file. So as you can see here, this is our test script. So basically I have a character, start time, end time, and script. For this script, we will be using a start time and end time script. Click on it and drag it to our script view. Once it's here, this is when we can do our magic. So what I'm going to do is go here and I'm just going to ignore this one. We're going to check our comments. If your language is not the correct one here, you can check that as well. And also we have options. So say your time code may be different. You can do a mixed or maybe a minute, seconds. You can do that here. So all of this can be edited and changed. If it's not the right column, just click it and change it. So we're just going to import. And as you can see, it's populated our timeline and it's also populated our script view. So we can now see everything that's in the script view imported from our script. So what we're going to do is I'm going to wrap the text here. So that's just a right click and a wrap text option. This just allows me to see a lot more that's going on. And I can play back. As you see here, you can see all the words are auto laid out. Our system will find, based on the length and character count of each word, the suitable amount of time that each one should have. We call this proportionate timing, which you can right click and do. We also have the option to do even timing, which will evenly space it out depending on the size of your line. Next up, we're going to be importing a video file. So this is an MOV file or an H.264. We're just going to drag this directly into our video timeline here. As you can see, you can check the media is working. You can also see the frame rate as well. So we're going to import this. It will ask us to change the frame rate, which we will do now. As you can see, it slightly adjusts the time code, but to make sure that all the words and letters are in the correct place. So what we're going to do now that we've done that is go to View Options. We're going to go to Project Settings. Under Project Settings, you can also see not only our video, but this neat little section here called Project Languages. Now what you want to do here is press plus, and then we're going to add French. So you just look it up, check out the language code, there it is. Just pop it in. You can also check to see if your default audio track is selected. So if you do have a video file with multiple audio tracks, you can select the preferred one. For this also, we have what we call our start time. So say if your movie has a different time code, usually set by a baked in time code on the proxy video, you can change it here. This will give you the option to use the original start time, which is 0, or you can shift all the lines to the new one, which we will do now. So as you can see, all lines are now moved by an hour. So now you can review what you brought in. Press play.
Good evening, Dr. West. I received your message. I know there's been no official change, but I thought my husband could see his son on his birthday.
Now, sometimes if you have an older computer, you do have the option here to do high performance playback. What that means is it will focus directly on the video player, like so.
Mrs. Lovecraft, I wish I could tell you that seeing his son would be therapeutic for your husband, but Winfield's mind is like a shattered looking glass.
So once you've done that, we just want to right click on script and add a secondary language. And right now you can see French, which is our selected language. So now I can start typing text. So we're going to go text, there it is. And then if we want to swap from English to French, just tap right here, there you go, you got French. Now it's not exactly French because we haven't done the transcription. Now you do have multiple options for this. One, you can transcribe, which will use an external service such as Google Cloud. Now if you have an API key, which you can set up here, you can actually use Google Cloud for instant transcription. Once you brought in your media and your script file, we recommend that you save. For more information on VoiceQ, VoiceQ Writer, and VoiceQ Pro, please head over to support@voiceq.com.